from the Melea Show. So for today's video, I've actually partnered with Kroger because I want to show you guys how to use the Kroger app to save money on all of your groceries every single time you grocery shop. You can actually use the app at any of these stores you see on your screen right now. And to give you guys an amazing example, the groceries you see behind me, I actually saved $63 just by using the app at the store. $63, you guys, that's amazing. I didn't have to clip any coupons. I didn't have to do anything special. It's as easy as tapping the coupon on your phone and getting the savings at checkout. Super, super simple. But in addition to all the features I'm gonna show you guys as far as using the grocery app and saving money at the grocery store, there's also an exclusive coupon code right now for anyone who has never downloaded the app before. So if you are new to downloading the Kroger app or any of its affiliated stores, you guys can download the app right now and get an extra $5 off any $50 grocery purchase. Just make sure you do that before August 1st. And if you guys wanna know more details about that, you guys can check the description for all of the info. So now, let's go in store. Let me show you guys how to save money using digital coupons, using the app. I mean, $63 is a lot of money to save on a grocery bill, and you guys could do that every single time using the app. No more coupon clipping is required in order to save a ton of money.
All right, guys, first thing is first. If you haven't yet, download your Kroger affiliated grocery stores app. Then you can sign into your grocery store's account or create a brand new account. So now that you guys have the app downloaded and added to your phone, now I can show you guys exactly how to use it and all of the perks and features that the app has to help you save money every single time you go to the grocery store. So here's how to access the digital coupons. All you have to do is tap that coupon button you see at the bottom of the app. It'll list the entire list of digital coupons. You can scroll through and find the digital coupons that are available, including exclusive app-only discounts and digital coupons. Or you can actually search at the top of your screen to find specific products that you want to see if there's a digital coupon for, or something you might have seen in the weekly ad. Then tap to add the coupon, and it's as simple as that. There's also the option to scan a barcode, which is an awesome feature because you can scan products at the store or even in your pantry at your house and be able to add those items to your shopping list or add them to a cart for a click list pickup. Now, of course, you can pick up a copy of the weekly ad right when you walk into your store. There's usually a huge stack of them, but sometimes you might not get the weekly ad in the mail, or you might have no idea what the deals are for that week. Just tap on weekly ads on your app and you can see the entire ad right in front of your eyes digitally. You can choose whether you want to see a list of every single item, and you can actually just tap to add any of those items to your grocery shopping list. Or you can tap the print view option at the top of the app, and then you can see a digitally scanned version. You can check your fuel rewards at any time to see when your points expire and how many points you have. Refill a prescription, or you can submit a new one. There's even a sales section, guys. You can click on sale items and see every single product in the store that is on sale for that week. One of my favorite features of the app is that you can link your Fresh Values rewards card so it's on your phone ready to go. So all the cashier has to do is scan the barcode at checkout or enter your alternate ID, and all of those digital coupons and all of those savings come right off your bill. In my opinion, I think they did a great job putting this app together, because not only have I saved a ton of money using the app, but I've saved so much time.
Hopefully this video helped you guys understand how to use the other features of the app, but most importantly, those digital coupons, because they save so much money. Don't forget to give this video a like if it helped you out or if you learned anything new. And if you're brand new to my channel, don't forget to follow and subscribe so you guys don't miss more money saving videos from me in the future. So don't forget to keep following along, and thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.
Guys, you have to download the Smith app to save money. You can download digital coupons, create a grocery list, and get special app-only offers. So what are you waiting for?